Jason Hubbard here, Loyalty Home Group, brokered by EXP Realty. Just wanted to remind you, if you find these videos useful at all, please like the videos, please ring the bell, and please subscribe so you can watch future videos about communities in the areas that you're interested in. Today I'm out again at Ashton Woods at Madera, and we're going to be looking at the Sunflower Floorplan. Sunflower Floorplan is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with a retreat of 2,234 square feet. All right, let's go in and take a look. So as we finish up in the Sunflower model here at Ashton Woods at Madera, a couple of facts about this home. You'll notice you got the nice big 4-slider panel. You got the nice island in the kitchen. And then the one thing you noticed as you went through was the nice big retreat that makes this model, this floor plan, a little bit different than you'll see with many other floor plans. Again, this property here, single story, 2,234 square foot, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, guest retreat, and it comes with a two-car garage. The base prices for this floor plan currently right now, if you were to come in, you would find them between $540,990 and $546,990, depending of course on elevation that you chose. They also do have a couple of spec homes available, and a lot of times you can find good discounts and good incentives on those spec properties.